Enabling two-factor authentication on your ESPN Plus account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to activate this feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ESPN Plus website or open the ESPN app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option labeled Account or Profile in the menu. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Within the account settings, locate the Security or Privacy section. This is where you will find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your phone number or email address to receive verification codes. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering the required information, confirm your selection and save the changes. You may receive a verification code to finalize the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your ESPN Plus account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your verification method accessible for future logins.